This video features us, myself and a friend, making a replica scale 18th century Spanish naval cannon. You can see on the left that my part, which was the metal part, has been finished. And now my friend is making the wooden trolley or base. I don't know what you'd really call it. So if you just bear with me for a few minutes, we'll see the construction, and then we'll see the test firing. And the test firing is with black powder. This is how you change the angle of the cannon. We're just making some bearing blocks now. These are the parts that will hold the cannon down. I'm Stuart, and many thanks for joining. We're now looking at the way to make the axles. So they'll be put into a wood turning lathe in a couple of secs. Yeah, now we can see that we're just gouging out the parts of the axle. The two axles together on the same piece of wood. I'm not entirely sure that firing a cannon is entirely legal, but I thought it was best not to investigate it too much. Some wooden wheels. Seems to fit well. Okay, that's good. You can see I've skipped a few bits and pieces that I didn't think were particularly necessary. I think most people want to see the gun firing, myself included. What we're going to do in a minute is to start this is, I don't know, I think it's called ramming or something, but we're putting the black powder down into the barrel of the gun. And then that's a wooden bung which fits fairly tightly into the cannon. So it needs to be hammered in. These are the parts. So the ball, that was the wooden piece that went in. The ball has a piece of cloth wrapped around it. Now, the moment of truth or glory. See, it's obviously got a fuse in the top, you can see. And that went absolutely magnificently, but we didn't hit the can, unfortunately. Something hit the handle of the can. Now we're going to do, this is a slow motion shot. And that's when you can see the handle of the can move.